and public lectures, where experts from different fields discuss their ideas and perspectives. Attending these events can help you to hear about issues from a different point of view and also to engage with people who may have different opinions than your own. 8. Read books from diverse authors. Finally, reading books from diverse authors can be an excellent way to broaden your perspective and challenge your assumptions. Reading books in this way can help you to develop a more nuanced understanding of society and the world, and also to broaden your empathy and understanding of others. 9. Seek out alternative perspectives from grassroots movements. In addition to following established news outlets, seeking out alternative perspectives from grassroots movements can also help to expand your worldview. Independent media organizations such as Democracy Now! And Truth Out often cover stories that aren't given much attention by mainstream news outlets, providing a much-needed alternative perspective. 10. Listen actively to people with different experiences. Another way to break out of the filter bubble is to actively listen to people with different experiences and perspectives than your own. In any case, active listening involves truly hearing what someone else has to say, asking thoughtful questions, and being open to learning and understanding their point of view. 11. Challenge your assumptions and biases. Breaking out of the filter bubble requires a willingness to challenge your own assumptions and biases. We all have inherent biases that are shaped by our personal experiences, cultural background, and the media we consume. By being aware of these biases and actively seeking out perspectives that challenge them, we can become more open-minded and empathetic. 12. Use a variety of mediums to access news content. Finally, using a variety of mediums to access news content can help to break down the filter bubble. While many of us rely on social media or our preferred news website to stay informed, incorporate other mediums such as podcasts, radio, and television can provide a broader range of perspectives. Similarly, subscribing to print publications or newsletters that focus on different topics can help to expand your understanding of the world. 13. Support local and independent journalism. In addition to diversifying our news sources, it's important to also support local and independent journalism. Local news outlets often cover stories that larger national or international news organizations overlook, providing valuable insight into issues that directly affect our communities. By subscribing to local newspapers or donating to independent media organizations, we can help ensure that a variety of perspectives and voices are represented in the media landscape. 14. Practice critical thinking skills. Breaking out of the filter bubble requires us to be critical consumers of information. It's important to develop strong critical thinking skills to scrutinize the news we encounter and evaluate its readability. This involves questioning the sources of information, verifying facts, and considering multiple perspectives before forming our own opinions. By honing our critical thinking skills, we and navigate the complex media landscape more effectively and make well-informed decisions. 15. Encourage civil discourse and dialogue. While engaging with different perspectives, it's crucial to promote civil discourse and constructive dialogue. Engaging in respectful conversations, both online and offline, can help bridge the gaps between opposing viewpoints and foster mutual understanding. Instead of resorting to personal attacks or dismissing others' opinions outright, we should strive to listen actively, respond thoughtfully, Why, and find common ground where possible. By encouraging civil discourse, we can create spaces for open and meaningful conversations that facilitate learning and growth.